wasn't going to do this, but I'm here and I'm doing mini twists. Now, these are not my normal mini twists. They're a little bigger, but the smaller they are, the longer it takes me to do it, and I don't have all day, so you're just gonna see how I do my mini twists. So anyway, I'll take a little piece, like so, small, 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 like so, boom. All right, and I will start dividing to two pieces. Now, what you want to do is twist as you're twisting. I don't know if that makes any sense, but I'll see if I can show you. All right, so twist and then twist, 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 twist. I hope that makes sense. I hope you can see this. I can't see myself. Let me do it again. Here, twist, twist, and then twist, twist, and then twist. Maybe let's just say twist and then wrap. Maybe that makes sense. Twist, wrap, twist, wrap, twist, wrap. Or wrap and twist, whatever. But just make sure you're twisting as you go. So anyway, it's two pieces, and you want to wrap first, and then twist. Wrap, twist, wrap, twist, wrap, twist. Now, let me slow it down. Again, wrap, twist, wrap, twist, wrap, twist, wrap. That way, you can do this method, even if they're not mini twists, it will give you like the best definition because of that twisting. You're twisting each one and then you're wrapping it around. And they last longer. Like these, I probably keep in my head for 3 to 4 weeks. And I would shampoo them probably like the 3rd week. Maybe I'll just come on here and show you how I shampoo and maintain them. Once I get to the very end, I will kind of twist it just to get it all together, and voila, boom. That's the method. So I'll come back when it's all over, and you'll see the finished result. It might be in different clothes because I'm planning to just do half today or tonight and then the other half tomorrow. Takes me too long. And I really just don't have, I mean, I do have the time because we're in quarantine, but who want to sit here and just do hair all day? I'm going fast, but I'm just used to it. Slow it down if you need to slow it down. Now let's slow it down right here. All right, so that's it for now. So I'll be back and I'll show you the finished result. I mean, y'all need to follow me, bruh. Go ahead and like and subscribe, comment. Let me know what videos you want me to do, and I'll get those uploaded for you. Yeah, so, all right, so I'll be back. All right, so here's the final result. They look really good, man. They're really, really, really like these. Moving around, got that movement. Really good. Once you do yours, don't style them or play with them too much right now. You want to let them settle so they won't unravel, you know? Let them settle. Then you can start playing around with them. But yeah, they look really good. So if you try this style, which is the micro twist or mini twist as some people say, post a picture. Leave a picture in my comments so I can see how y'all rocking them.